Hello, it's Thursday, May the 26th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar was mixed against the other major pairs as US core durable goods orders fell unexpectedly in April, posting the biggest drop in 6 months at minus 1.5% versus 0.7% forecast. Also, the European debt crisis continues to support headlines that caused currencies to be unstable. Nasdaq and Dow Jones strengthened by 0.55% and 0.31% respectively. Crude oil increased by 1.7% to close at $101.32 a barrel. Gold rose by 0.2% to close at $1,526.70 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to be at 400,000 versus 409,000 prior. The euro fluctuated versus the dollar after reports of the Greek officials said that the country may have to abandon the euro if it doesn't deal with its debt crisis. However, at the end of trading, it closed almost unchanged as US stock markets closed positive after a negative day. The euro-dollar is facing serious resistance at 141.20 and 141.70. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 140.13 and a high of 141.18. Today, ECB President Trichet speaks. The pound strengthened for a second day against the dollar as a report showed UK exports helped the economy resume growth in the first quarter. GDP data came out as forecast at 0.5%. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 163.20. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 161.31 and a high of 162.93. No economic data is expected today. The yen was mixed versus the major currencies, closing almost unchanged against the dollar as concerns over the Eurozone's sovereign debt crisis and negative US data boosted demand for the yen as a refuge. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.80 and a high of 82.17. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar pared its loss versus the dollar after touching its lowest level since March as crude oil rose during the US session, reviving demand for higher-yielding assets. As long as the pair's trading above 0.9720 levels, the US dollar's momentum is bullish. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 0.9820. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9743 and a high of 0.9816. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your trading needs.